We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone won't charge. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be worrying as perhaps your iPhone is currently out of charge or it's about to, and so you want to go and charge it. So we've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, do just go and inspect the cable, make sure it's in good condition, it's not very worn, and that everything just looks correct. And what you can also try doing is using a different plug and different outlet as well. Go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, or you can't go and change it, the next thing you want to try doing is inspecting the charging port. So what you want to do is go and look here and make sure that it's free of any dust or debris, because often that goes and gets in there when you put your phone in your pocket, and then it can go and stop it charging. So what you can do is try blowing in there to go and remove any dust, and if you see anything physical in there, use something like a cocktail stick to go and remove it. Next, if it still isn't working, you want to try performing a force restart. This will go and hopefully refresh things and solve it. Press the volume increase, decrease, and then hold the side power button. Keep this held down. Even if you're finding your iPhone is currently out of battery, you can try doing it while charging it. So go and keep this held down until you go and see the Apple icon, then release, and it should go and come back on. Try charging it, hopefully now it works. Leave a like if you found this useful.